Welcome back to Trailer Park Cooking. I'm Jeannie B. Delicious, and today we're going to make a simple, easy recipe. Twice baked potatoes, I guess. I have potatoes that are halved, and I have them in a microwave safe bowl. I'm going to cover them with some saran wrap. This keeps the moisture in the bowl so I can scoop out the insides. So I just cinch that cling wrap to the side of the bowl, make it nice and tight. Tight. Sounds like a drum. I don't want a place to stay. Get your booty on the floor tonight. And I'm going to put them on the potato setting. There's a potato button on this. I don't know, there's probably 5 in there. Okay, that works. And then we'll just let them cook. So while that's microwaving, ingredients that I'm going to use are butter, bacon cut up into little pieces, El Chizo, and some sour cream, and salt and pepper. Okay, so the potatoes are nice and done. We're just going to let those sit and cool down a little bit. I'm going to cut up some bacon and cook some more bacon. Alright, and I'm just going to throw it in the pan and cook it. So I'm just going to put the sour cream in this bowl. So we're going to add sour cream and butter. This is just a little small container of sour cream. It's a 8-ounce thing of sour cream. And the butter, I'll just do about half this cube. And then I'm going to scoop out the middle of the potato carefully, because they're still kind of hot. Woo! They're a little too hot for me to handle. Just a handful should work. Just stir it together. Bacon, bacon, bacon! I'm going to add the bacon to the mashed potatoes and stir it up. I'm just going to take a potato and I'm going to heap in a good helping of potato mix because I like mine overstuffed. Make it all pretty. Just like that. This is what they look like before they are cooked. And now we'll just cook them.
How long?
20 minutes. Fantastic! Look at, they're nice and golden brown on the top. The cheese is all melted. This is going to be delicious. I got some Green Goddess here. This is, like, I don't know, I think it's like a cucumber ranch dressing. And of course the skins get even a little bit crispier. Maybe I'll put a big one on there. Ah. Look at the cheese strings. Dip it in a little bit of Green Goddess. Mmm. Creamy, bacony, totally delicious. It's like a baked potato with all the fixings. This is a recipe you can make for your family, for your friends, when you have a football party. It's got a smoky, bacon flavored, cheesy, creamy, just like a baked potato with all the fixings, except it's been all mixed together. I suggest baking the potatoes the day before in your oven, letting them cool overnight, and then they're a lot easier to make. And of course, if you have a mixer, it's much easier to mix the ingredients to a more creamy consistency. You can add anything you want in these potatoes. And of course, I want to thank everybody for watching my live video and then also watching my videos as they come up. I want you to like, subscribe, and of course, you can shoot me an email at jeanniebdelicious@gmail.com if you have any suggestions, or if you want to submit a recipe or tell me a family story, some good memories that you have. Please like our videos, share them with your friends, share them on Twitter, share them on Facebook, share them wherever you like. And I do appreciate every one of my viewers today. I want to thank you for watching Jeannie Be Delicious in the Trailer Park Cooking Show. And of course, bye y'all!